What's up guys, Justin here of Tech, and it seems like Vivo is catching up in the premium mid-range segment with their newly released Vivo X50. In this video, we're not focusing on the Pro version because if you want to watch that, then you can click the link on the upper right now. But if you're curious about the Vivo X50 that packs notable features such as a 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, 33 watts fast charging, and quad rear cameras, then keep on watching. Before we jump into its design and build, let's see first what's in the package. So we get this medium-sized midnight bluish square box, and lifting up the cover reveals the phone right away. Okay, let's put that here first. And then we have a clear jelly case and a SIM ejector tool together with the manuals. In this little box, we get some regular earphones and a headphone jack to Type-C adapter, because you know why. Now, other things included are its power adapter and a Type-C cable. So at first glance, the Vivo X50 looks modern in a glass back with a reflective mirror gradient design. It's subtle but still deserves attention. The unit we have is in the glaze black colorway, but it's also available in frost blue. Evidently, it's got a vertically aligned protruding quad rear camera module with the LED flash and color temperature beside it. Something you won't really notice is that it has a tiny third microphone underneath that camera module. Other than that, we get some Vivo branding here at the back. Now there's nothing on the left side since all the buttons are situated on the right. That's the volume rocker and the power button. Meanwhile, on top is a secondary microphone and a small text that says Professional Photography. Interesting. Okay, heading to the bottom, we get its loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and a dual nano SIM card tray. Yes, it's not expandable via microSD card. Onto the display, the X50 has a large 6.56-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2376 by 1080 pixels and a pixel density of 398 pixels per inch. It's also worth mentioning that the display supports HDR10+, and of course complemented with a 90Hz refresh rate option. Situated at the top left corner is a hole punch cutout that houses its front-facing camera. On top of that is a receiver, and you'll also find on screen its in-display fingerprint scanner. So far, media consumption on this device is impressive with its popping colors and deep blacks. Locally powering the X50 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 coupled with an Adreno 618 GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and a pretty decent 4200 mAh battery with Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. The X50 that will be available in the Philippines sadly doesn't have 5G capabilities, however, the Pro version is ready with it. For software, it runs on the latest Android 10 skinned with FunTouch 10.5, which I must say is really customizable. As for cameras, its quad camera setup is composed of a 48-megapixel Sony IMX598 primary shooter, a 13-megapixel depth, an 8-megapixel super wide-angle lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. For selfies, you get a 32-megapixel shooter. We'll go more in-depth on its camera performance in our full review coming soon, but for now, take a look at some sample photos we got. Alright, when it comes to price, we'll update you in the description box once we get the official prices for the X50 series in the Philippines. And yeah, this device packs a lot of features a modern-day Android smartphone has, and we're excited to learn more about it in the next few days, so stay tuned for our full review. But how about you? What do you think of this Vivo X50 non-Pro? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.